name's Chris and welcome to another one of my videos where you can watch, learn and play your favourite acoustic songs. And in this video I'm going to show you how to play Oasis's latest song, which is Don't Stop. It released it a few days ago. This is filmed in May 2020, so we're all on lockdown for this COVID-19 virus. Hopefully we'll all be out of it soon. Hope you're all staying safe at home. Right, anyway, back to this. Don't Stop by Oasis, acoustic, nice little acoustic tune. The first thing you need to do is to tune your A string. Now don't panic, it's only one string. Tune your A string down, tune your B string, your second thinnest one, tune that down to an A. So it should sound like this. Now there's a few ways you can do that. You can either use a tuner, or you can, that's probably the easiest way because everyone's going on the phone nowadays. Or you can use your second string, your fifth string, your A string as a bit of a reference. And it should also be in unison with third string, second fret. So the first thing you need to do is to tune your B string down to an A, so it sounds like. So if you want to pause the video, get your guitar tuned, and then come back. Right, so you're all hopefully tuned up. Right, it's dead simple. There's only like 4 or 5 chords in it, and they're only very simple, basic chords. So we'll start off with the intro. He plays like a G shape, but without your little finger, so it's just third fret, 6th string, 2nd fret, 5th string. So you get that. Then it's a D with an F shape, but you put your thumb on the F sharp, and then you do like what would be like a D6 chord. So imagine a D shape without your third finger. So you just got those two notes. Put your thumb on the F sharp, and then there's a pull off, and then there's like an A shape, but not the full A shape, as if you were doing, say, an A sus in normal tuning. So it's like that. So the intro. So simple. Plays this 4 times, that G shape, D, and then the pull off, and then the A. So it's not really a pull off, it's because you are strumming it. So, and then it starts off with, so once he's played that 4 times, then you've got the verse, which is exactly the same chords. It starts off with bye bye my friends, bye bye my friends, I'm leaving. It's something like, don't be sad and don't cry. And then it goes to like another part of the verse. Is it a bridge? I don't know, but it's exactly the same chords. Because lazy days and sunny rays will guide me, and it's exactly the same. It's just and that's for another four times. And then we get to the chorus bit, which, funnily enough, uses the same chords. Don't stop being happy. Don't stop your clapping. Don't stop laughing. Something like that. I haven't learnt the words yet, but it goes. Don't stop your clapping. Don't stop your. And then on the third, you go, don't stop your laughing is G, D, A, and then you got an E shape, so it's just a normal E, but If you listen to that, that really changes the sound of the E it would normally sound. But it's because of that B tuned down to an A, it sounds really nice sounding chord. That I like that. So it goes. Then G. Then there's the old tambourine going. So the chorus, I'll just go through the chorus again without stopping. It goes, don't stop being happy. Don't stop your clapping. Don't stop your laughing. Make peace of your life. It's alright. Yeah. Hold back the nights. So that's the chorus. And then after the tambourine goes a bit, it goes back to the lazy days. It's very repetitive, this song, so I'm sure you can, once you've learnt the chords, it's dead easy to put them in the right order. So they do that 4 times, then it goes back to the chorus. It's exactly the same as before. Don't stop your laughing. Don't stop your clapping. Don't stop being happy. Take a piece of your life, it's alright. Yeah, yeah. Hold back the night. In fact, you don't always have to put that little finger on. When you're doing the D shape, you can just go G. Just so you just got your thumb on the 2nd fret of the 6th string, and I use my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, so you can just go. So simple, just little open strings, 2-finger chords, and then just add just a little hammer on every now and again just to accent it, you know. And then there's a middle 8. From the lyric starts from time to time, so it goes to the E, G, D. Then there's a little riff here, which if you're a Beatles fan and you've heard a song called Dig a Pony, it will sound quite familiar. I don't think an Oasis song would be an Oasis song without a little hat tip to the Beatles. So it goes E, G, D, then it goes so that little, if you bar the 2nd as if you're doing like an A chord, but with your bar like a power chord. So it's, then you got a little slide on the 5th string to the 4th fret. 4th string at 2nd fret. Hammer on to the 4th fret. Then you got 3rd string at 2nd fret. Then just go backwards. 4th, 2nd, 4th, 3rd. Now if you play that note, that C note, with your 2nd finger, you just have to slide it back and you can play the E shape. So it's, I'll try and get it a bit closer to the camera so it's. So that is so easy. Oh, do that again. And that's the hardest bit of the whole song, I think. Once you get that mastered, it's dead easy. And then, so the middle 8 goes. stays on that G while the tambourine comes again, and then they play this G, D and A again 4 times. And then he goes into the Don't Stop Yo, plays the chorus again, and he plays this 6 times. You can, so he does that 6 times as it fades out to the end, and then on the 7th it's like, take a piece of your life, it's alright, yeah, hold back the night. And then it goes back to, it's alright, yeah, to hold back the night. And he does that once more time, it's alright, to hold back the night. And tambourine goes again. So basically you've got that chord, that chord, that chord, and that chord, and the little, that little run. Put those elements together and you've got the whole song. It's so simple, but it's relevant at the moment, I think. It's one of those songs that people will listen to on the radio, and if you can play it in one of your live sets, you'll think, hey, you know, might get hopefully some decent feedback. Right, well, hopefully this lesson's been useful for you. If you've got any comments, please put them in the comments box below. If you've got any ideas of any of the songs that you maybe want to learn, put them in the comments box. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it along with your friends who are, you know, maybe play guitar. And also, if you think, you know what, I'd like to buy that guy a beer for doing it, there's a PayPal link where you can throw us a few quid, and I will turn that into alcohol. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.